Hi everyone, I'm Charvi and today we're going to explore a really interesting concept in math, LCM, least common multiple.
Hi, I'm Vibin. I'll be talking about how LCM is a tough concept for many students, but we've come up with a fun and interactive way to help understand it.
Hey, I'm Rajanya. We'll also be showing our model LCMTrailblazers, which makes learning LCM a lot easier and more exciting.
So here's the problem. Many students find LCM tricky. Our research shows that 26% of grade 6 students are not confident when it comes to calculating LCM, and even the older students still struggle with the concept.
That's right. We also found the students often confuse factors and multiples, and traditional teaching methods like using factor trees don't help much because students don't always understand why the steps work. So we wanted to create something that would help make the learning process more interactive and clearer.
And that's where our LCM Trailblazers comes in. With this model, we can visualize the LCM in a way that both fun and hands-on. Let me show you how it works.
Here we got two rotary encoders. Each one represents one of the numbers you input using the keypad. You rotate them alternately, and as you do that, the system checks for multiples of the numbers. When both rotary encoders show a common multiple, the LED lights up.
When both LEDs are on, it means we found the least common multiple. That's when the LCM is displayed on the LCD right here.
And for verification, we got a cool feature. The model uses code to calculate the LCM in the background and displays it on the serial monitor, so you can double check that everything matches.
The best part is that this model isn't just about getting the right answer. It helps you understand how we arrive at the LCM. You get to see how multiples work, and you can experiment with different numbers to really get the hang of it.
This TLM is perfect for students who find LCM confusing. It's interactive, helps visualize the steps, and gives real-time feedback through the LEDs and LCD. Plus, it makes learning math a lot more engaging.
Thanks to this TLM, students can explore the LCM concept step by step and see how the number works together. It's a great way to learn, not just memorize.
So, if you've been struggling with LCM or just want more fun way to learn it, LCM Trailblazers is definitely for you. It's portable, easy to use, and make math a whole lot more fun.
Yep, it's all about making LCM easier to understand and exciting to learn. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.